Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. We've just had another delivery, which is great news. This one is a small parcel from AliExpress. Now, these guys really are smashing out the postage. This has taken like 4 days to get to the UK from its AliExpress warehouse. So let's get straight in. I thought I'd open it in front of you so we can all see together what exactly these things turn up like and if they're damaged or anything. So yes, there is. Straight away we've got a bit of damage on the box there, guys. So hopefully, oh my goodness, hopefully what's inside, as you may have guessed on the pictures there, is the little Volkswagen replica rally car, the drift car. And I'm hoping there's something else in the bag. Yes, there is. There's another little parcel. That's just to put my phone on top of my traxxas controller for now. Right, look at the state of that box. Let's get in there and see if it's damaged. Okay guys, here we go. It's the first time, in fairness, I've had something bashed from AliExpress, so let's get in there and have a look. Loads of reviews on these guys, but I just wanted to see, is it as good as some people say, or is it as bad as others say? So we get rid of the box. So what have we got in there? We've got hard drift tyres, excellent, glad they've come with it because they're going to go straight on there. And we got all the little plastic details like the wing mirrors, air vents, things like that. Car screwed into the box, or is it just stuck? What's that? That's a rubber tyre or something? Oh yes, 2 little plastic clips in the bottom there, guys. So we pull them out, however they come out. Oh, excuse the fumble here, guys. What I'm going to do is cut this video, we'll get the car out, because you don't need to see me struggling with the box, and then we'll come straight back. Right, so that's all the plastic parts put on. They literally just push out the screws really easily, and you can just click them in. I was thinking you're going to need to glue them, but if in this personal instance, no need to glue them. The only bit I can't do is get that driver's door handle on. Absolute nightmare. The amount of times I tried to get that one on, I just give up. So hopefully I'll trim it down a little bit and it'll pop in because it does look really cool. As you can see, we got lights on the front, but not on the back. So maybe that's something we can upgrade in the future. And I've also put on the drift wheels and tyres. It all come as one. So I put the battery in. I haven't even charged it up, guys. I've literally just put it in out the box. So yeah, not bad. Not the fastest thing, but then that Mini-Z doesn't feel that fast either. Forwards, backwards, nice proportional start on it, and proportional steering, which is good. There's no gyro in it, but for £20 I didn't expect there to be. I'll be honest, I haven't even read the listing, so no gyro. The controller is really nice, the fact that you've got that thumb thing on there as well, and the bit of foam I found in the box was the steering wheel cover. So let's see what the speed's like. Not bad, not bad. So we'll get this down to our studio now, and we will test it out head to head against the hot contender, the Kyosho Mini-Z. So very good looking scale cars. They do look nice in a glass cabinet, guys, if we're as geeky as we are. So once the others arrive, we'll have a good little lap of our track we're going to make down there. But for the meantime, we'll just get this one, see how she handles. See you in a second. All right, guys, here we are back on location. Got our own drift meeting set up. Billy no mates and Billy no mates, so there's 2 of us. I've got the Kyosho Mini-Z, which is, we reckon, the king of the baby drifters. Yeah. 1/27 scale. One of my lights has already broken it because we've been practicing. And what have you got, Miles?
I've got a unlicensed thing that looks very like a Golf R.
Where did we get that one from?
£21 from AliExpress.
Absolute bargain. So what we're trying to find out, guys, is that one for £220 10 times better than that one? Probably not.
I would say no.
What does Kev say?
Doesn't matter.
Doesn't matter as long as it puts a bigger smile on your face. Let's do it. Let's see what it'll do, Miles. Alright guys, so after that less than extensive and exhaustive test, what do you think?
Mini-Z is better.
Mini-Z's better. I'll be honest guys, it does feel better quality. It eats AAA batteries. It's far more controllable. The controller feels better, but 10 times the price, it's really not. So what we need to do now, we need a collaboration, because I've heard Mario from Ron-Bomb RC has got something that's kind of priced between the two. So hopefully that'll give us another little option for a bargain basement drifter, because that is not a bargain basement.
It's good.
That one,
it's not a bargain.
Well impressed guys. I've seen some reviews that absolutely slate these. We're not one of them. That is 100% worth £21. And for 3 days wait from AliExpress, winner.
Good.
Get on it.